How can you ride a bicycle if you can't walk? If you always struggle with sin, when we see you every day, you are fighting with sin. My brother, what's wrong with you? No, this sin, my brother. When you fast for sin. You know, you need to move in that area. And the only way to do that is when you recognize the power of grace and say, sin, you are no longer my master. I am living your area. You cannot tell me what to do. And you move on to the next stage, where you begin to walk in holiness. You live in holiness. You know, when God looks at you, your life presents the life of Christ. And after that, after walking in holiness, you flow in the Spirit. That is another level of grace. When you begin to prophesy and hear the deep things of God, then you are moving to another area of grace. There is still so much for us, but it depends on us. Do we tell the devil, devil, get thee behind me? Do we tell him, you sin of fornication, leave my life. You are no longer my master. You sin of lie, depart from my life. Do you tell that sin in your life? You sin of hatred. You sin of unforgiveness. I have power over you today. If we still struggle with those things, we are not going anywhere. Mark chapter 11 verse 22 and 23. It says, have faith in God. It says, if you have faith and do not doubt in your heart, you can say whatever and it shall be given to you. You can say to this mountain, be thou removed and thrown into the sea. It will obey you. But as you continue, it says, but when you stand to pray, forgive those who have sinned against you. So if you want to move from to another dimension of prayer, do not struggle with unforgiveness. Do not struggle with petty sins. You need to move mountains. But you cannot move mountains if you cannot move grudges. There is still another area of grace. You know, when you get into another level of grace, Ananias and Sapphira, they were in another level of grace. And when they sinned, they lied. Guess what happened? They fell and died. Because God was not expecting that from them. He was not expecting it. So as you grow, you know Moses, when he was